What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I wanted to do a quick update on my last price prediction and price analysis on ASM or Assemble Protocol. It's been a while that I did a price analysis and prediction on ASM just because it was consolidating between 18 and 14.5 cents. And now we've actually seen quite a big bearish move right there of around 30%. Found support at 12 cents up until 11.7 cents, that support area. And yeah, I just wanted to update it and give you my views on what I think is next for Assemble Protocol or ASM. Having said that, this is just my opinion based on technical analysis and definitely not financial advice. But yeah, what we see here is that price found support here at this trend line. A new quite strong trend line is formed, I think, at least right here, and it's in kind of a wedge, although it just looks like a wedge because of this bearish move. Otherwise it would have been a consolidation. So really it's in the small things, but I think the next few days at least will be quite bullish for ASM. I don't see it dropping, at least with the body of the candlestick, below this 12 cents, and I do think that we will ultimately either from where it is right now or when it finds support at 12 cents again, we will rise up until 16 cents again. At 16 cents it might have some difficulty breaking through, so small consolidation, but ultimately I think we are going into that consolidation between 19 cents and 14 cents again. So the consolidation we knew, and in the communities I saw that that was a bad thing for ASM, but I don't fully agree with that. I think after such a big move we just need the price to cool down a little bit, maybe consolidate, accumulate a little bit more, and then after its accumulation and consolidation, or while it is consolidating, we will see a big move up again, in my opinion at least, because fundamentally I think the ASM project is very good, and when that does happen, I think we will find, I mean, in the most bullish scenario, we will find resistance between 33 and 34 cents, like initially. That doesn't mean that from here we will go all the way down again. That might also be something like this, and then that something like this happens and the bull run continues, but I think the first resistance would be around 33 and 34 cents in the most bullish scenario. If price continues to struggle and it finds quite some resistance, for example at the previous all-time high, we might just see resistance firstly at 30 cents, because that's also a psychological resistance area. But even in that like less bullish case, I still think we can see 33 to 34 cents a few days from the price reaching 30 cents. So yeah, basically that's my opinion on and my analysis on what is next for Assemble Protocol or ASM. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!